Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting the rub race chassis. So I'm going to mix up some paint here, but first I'll show you what I've got that I'm going to be using. But first off, got to have a respirator. Got a little airbrush here, just a little cheapy, but it does a good job. My paint, jar to mix it in, some reducer, some hardener. So let's get to mixing. I took this can of paint to work and shook it up a little while ago. I'm going to give it a good stir here, just to make sure it's got nice and even pigment. Pouring this is always messy. It is what it is. Okay. Still lots of paper towels around. Okay, I put about half of this jar full. Set the lid back on there. Okay, so you can see the paint's pretty thick. I don't know if you can see it coming off of this screwdriver or not. So we put some reducer in there. The way I tell if it's thin enough is I watch how it runs off the end of the screwdriver here. Hope you can see that. So as long as it's coming off in a steady stream and not going drip, 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 it's not too thin. And I watch the body of it as it comes off the end of the tip of the screwdriver to see if it looks like it's really thick. seems about right. Might need just a touch more. Seems pretty good. Now I need some hardener. This stuff is why you wear a respirator, or one of the reasons, because it is poisonous. And we're just going to give it a little dollop. And mix her up real good. She needs just a little more thinner. Now that I have this pre-mixed jar of paint, I will go out to the chassis, and as I'm painting, I will just refill this little jar on the airbrush, from this here. Okay, here's the chassis ready for paint. I've previously sanded it. I've got it jacked up on some plastic and gave it a final wipe down with alcohol and a little vacuuming. And I'm going to take you over here, show you my setup. So as you can see there, I've got a regulator, and there's a little inline air filter that's actually sitting down in the bucket there. That just kind of holds it in place. So I got a regulator and a fitting, and this little hose here goes right up to my airbrush I got hanging there full of paint, ready to go. So I'll get my respirator on and let's get to it. Okay, there it is in all its shimmering glory. Everything went pretty well, except that my airbrush kept plugging up for some reason. Unhooking it and blowing it out. It looks pretty good. Shiny. So we will let this harden up for about a week, and then we'll start putting it back together. Thanks for watching the channel. See you next time.